In this video, you will learn how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guided. If you want to create a public profile on Snapchat, you have to follow this video. But before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat application. I have opened it. And now I will click on the profile icon which is on the top left side of the page, and now it is open. And now I will click on the settings icon which is on the top right side of the page, and now I will scroll down this page, and I will scroll down this page, and I will click on the privacy control. Under this you have to follow and you have to turn on certain options, and you have to click on, first of all you have to click on the contact me, and now you will select that everyone. So you will turn back, you will click on the use my bitmoji avatar, and now you will click on the my friends, and now you have to click on send me notifications, you have to check on everyone, and now you will click on the view my story, you have to click on everyone, and now you have to click on the see me in quick add, you have to click on this and you have to check this option. And now you have to click on the see my location, and now you have to turn on the ghost mode, and you have to click on the until turned off. So you will go back again, and now you have to turn off this application of Snapchat, and you have to turn off it from the minimized apps, and now you have to turn on any VPN to turn your profile if you are in a location where public profile is not supported. So I will turn on my VPN. You can turn on any VPN you want to. So my VPN is connected, and now I have to turn on my Snapchat application again, and now I will click on that DP option, and now I have to scroll down this specific page, and now you can see that public profile option is shown to me. So I have to click on the create public profile, and now it is asking me that continue and get started and create. So my public profile is created. So I have got my subscribe button, and I can also give my cover photo and also give my any DP I want to. So I have got my public profile. So this is my public profile, and in this way you can turn on your public profile and make a public profile on Snapchat. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.